In today's video, we are going to cover how to run an Aged Receivables Summary report in Xero. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top menu and click Reporting. This opens the area where Xero stores the financial and account reports available for your organization. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the report list appears before moving on. From the reports list, select Aged Receivables Summary. This report focuses on customer balances that are still outstanding and groups them by age, so you can see what is current and what is overdue based on the report settings you choose. When the report opens, you will be looking at the default view first. Next, choose the date you want to report on. This date controls the point in time the report is based on, so make sure it matches the period you want to review. If you are checking balances for a month end or another reporting date, select that exact date before making any other changes. After that, review the report options and adjust them if needed. You can change the aging periods to control how the outstanding balances are grouped. You can also set aging by, depending on how you want the report to calculate the aging detail. If you need a different layout, adjust the columns shown in the report. You can also apply filters to narrow the results if you only want to focus on certain transactions or customer records. If you are comparing this report to another internal record, this is the point where matching the date and filter settings matters most. Once your settings are in place, click Update to generate the report. Xero will refresh the results using the date, aging setup, columns, and filters you selected. Give it a moment if the data takes time to load. When the updated report appears, review the outstanding customer balances and the aging details shown on screen. This is where you can scan the summary to see which amounts are current and which have moved into older aging periods. Read through the figures carefully so you are working from the correct balances before exporting or saving anything. If something does not look right, check the date and report settings again. If you need a copy of the report, click Export to download it. This is useful if you want to share the report or keep it outside Xero. If you plan to use the same setup again later, click Save As to save the report settings for future use. That way, you can return to the same configuration without setting each option again. Your Aged Receivables Summary report in Xero is now generated and ready to review, export, or save.